I think KPMG does a fantastic job at integrating new partners.
The integration of new partners and MDs is so important to the success of any hire.
You are set up to succeed.
From the very beginning, you're assigned a personal recruiter,
A transition coach.
Every week for the first couple months, you meet with your coach to make sure you're on track.
When I was talking with an old colleague of mine who I knew would be a perfect fit at KPMG, one of the main concerns that he had was, I'm giving up so many relationships that I had at my old firm, and how am I ever going to replicate them?
The biggest thing you have is your network and who you know within the firm, and it took 20 some years to build that.
And immediately I was able to reassure him that I was going to be there with him every step of the way.
We empower our people to choose their own career path.
We do give them an opportunity or a platform to succeed.
To get the support by our senior lead partners, by our business unit partner in charge, our office managing partners, and our national partners, to have that support across the board is tremendous.
I've had other colleagues come over to KPMG as partners, and they just are so happy. They love the teaming environment, the way we share sales credit, the way we reward our people. It's more of a team, and it's not as, we don't compete amongst ourselves.
How do I develop my book of business, make a greater impact? And we do that by sharing really in the success that we've already had so that we can go out and continue to develop more work.
I think that's really the secret sauce we have. It's just our culture and how we embrace these DEPs and how we want them to be successful, because if they come in here and they're not successful, it's a knock on us.
I have been given so much latitude to build my own business, to collaborate with other tax professionals, other audit professionals, advisory professionals.
It's a culture that really puts people first.
I'd like to say that it's a caring culture.
And I see it from the top. I see it from the partners that are above me, that they act like they're true partners, not in the business sense, but in the people sense, that they are part owners of this firm.
You're a steward of the firm. And what does a steward of the firm mean? That means how are you going to leave the firm when you retire differently than when you started? And so that definition is different for each person.
To me, it's always about the people. The fact that we have such a great teaming and collaborative culture. And so when that partner and MD joins KPMG, it's their chance to start to build and help the team below them. The number of people that you touch and talk with every day, that's really where I think a person is doing their best work and really building their legacy.
Leave your legacy.
Leave your legacy.
Leave your legacy.
Leave your legacy with KPMG Tax.